Hello dear students, now you come to know the story of Awadh and what the rebels wanted. As I had been telling you that the army in India in 1857 revolted against the British. Within this story, a special place is given the story of Awadh. Why? Awadh was a peace-loving, Awadh was a very obedient kingdom to the British government. Awadh accepted subsidiary alliance in 1801. What is subsidiary alliance? It was an agreement between an Indian king and the British to allow the British regiment to stay within the Indian kingdom's territory and help in the administration to that Indian king. And that Indian king, by virtue of the terms and conditions of the subsidiary alliance, was not allowed to do anything without the permission of the British regent. British regent means an officer who used to stay in the kingdom of that kingdom where the subsidiary alliance was contracted. Now Awadh accepted this subsidiary alliance and was very much faithful to abide by all the terms and conditions and regulations and always cooperated with the British government. Now by 1851, at that time the Governor General in India was Lord Dalhousie. Lord Dalhousie. When he saw so much obedience by the ruler of Awadh, by the Nawab of Awadh, he predicted that Awadh is like a cherry which will fall into their mouth one day and would become their property. Now, fortunately or unfortunately, what Lord Dalhousie predicted in 1851, it truly took a reality that in 1856, the British government annexed or occupied Awadh completely and became the political master over Awadh. Now the point comes like this. Kingdom of Awadh, the ruler of Awadh, was so much obedient to the British government, and again they occupied it through greed or whatever may be the excuses. This was not seen in a very better way by the other Indian rulers. In this way, the question comes on what excuses the British occupied Awadh. One excuse was that they said that there was no law and order within the kingdom of Awadh. Another blame they gave that the Nawab of Awadh was unpopular. People did not love that ruler much. Who was that ruler at that time? Nawab Wajid Ali Khan was the ruler. Nawab Wajid Ali Khan was the ruler at that time. So British occupied or annexed Awadh and asked Nawab Wajid Ali to leave the kingdom he was exiled, he was sent to Calcutta as a kind of deportation, so that he should not come back to Awadh anymore. In this way, Awadh became under the control of the British ruler. Now, my dear children, when this happened, who were affected? People, those who were affected were the army. They lost their job. They were in the army of the Awadh. They lost their job. All the royal workers lost their job. Artists, painter, those who were associated with royal activity, they lost their job. Why? Because British said that they did not need them anymore. Since Nawab Wajid Ali appointed them, these people were his worker, not of the British government. So they all lost the job. In this policy, the most who affected were the talukdars. Talukdars. Talukdars were actually rich farmers. They were landlords in the kingdom of Awadh. They inherited huge areas of land. They cultivated. They collected the tax by themselves. These talukdars maintained the system of judiciary. They maintained a bit of army. In time of need, the talukdars supplied help to the Nawab. Now, this British did not like this type of independent style of living of the talukdars anymore. Therefore, as soon as they occupied Awadh, they made an agreement. They introduced a law. That law was called the Summary Settlement. Summary Settlement. Summary Settlement was a law which said that the talukdars had no right over any land or over any activity in Awadh. They were just as ordinary men as others. In this way, talukdars were disposed of their huge property, power and prestige, and they became the ordinary man. In this way, my dear children, Awadh was ruled by the British by deporting all those who were getting different kind of facilities within the kingdom of Awadh. Now the question comes, what did the rebels want? What did they want? Very short way to say that the rebels wanted to revive the glorious days of the Mughal rule. They wanted to revive the glorious rule of the Mughal period. Mughal rulers were ruling over India. People were very happy with them. British came and almost destroyed the fabric of good days. Rather, the people in India were suffering under the British rule. That is why these rebels, revolutionaries, wanted to re-establish the old golden days so that people feel happy, united, would be able to practice their religion according to their caste, system, faith, and everything. These were the things wanted, rebels wanted. But unfortunately, the revolution was suppressed to such an extent that the dream of the revolutionaries did not last long. Coming to the conclusion of this subtopic is that the occupation of Awadh as well as the desire of the revolutionaries, I have given you a short story in brief. I am sure that you are going to mature these ideas more by referring to other materials. Thank you very much.